What's up, nail geeks, and welcome back to another Fandom Flakies video. This month we have the theme Elder Scrolls. Super excited. We have some cute Waterslide decals to check out at the end of the video, a sniff test for the handy Cuticle cream, and swatches for the polish. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First up is Bee's Knees Lacquer, Let Me See Your Face. This is described as a royal purple with glowing red multichrome flakes and dotted with holographic flakes. This finish, when it is built up to opacity, gives me Selena's iconic jumpsuit vibes. And it is on the jelly side, but once you build up to 3 thin to somewhat normal coats, dry time was excellent. So no worries there. If you tend to polish heavy-handed like myself, that you will have wonderful full coverage, especially for a jelly. I didn't have any texture or excessive thirstiness with this one, but I would still suggest a good glossy top coat. It will topper pretty well over black. I can't really see anything else outside of that, or say another royal purple cream if you wanted to save on your bottle. Your choice on that, and I would suggest a good glossy top coat to top it off. Night Owl's Peaceful Life is a charcoal tinted base filled with sparkly copper gold green shimmer, charcoal reflective glitter pigment, and charcoal micro flakes. This is so pretty and it's quick to hit opacity. I'm going to suggest going up to 2 normal coats with this. It's a true reflective glitter finish, so use the texture on your first coat to stick on that second coat, kind of like putting jam on some toast. You'll need a glitter smoothing top coat and a glossy top coat, as this will leave you textured and thirsty, and it toppers pretty well over black. I could see this working over some vampier type of colors, say like dark grays, things like that, and maybe even neutrals. That would be cool too. There's also that lovely golden shift that you see on my macro shot there. Ribbits and Stickets Emerald Paragon is a green jelly base filled with a mix of black and green shifting crystal chameleon flakes and a touch of green to blue shifting pigment. When I initially started swatching this one on the first and possibly right there on that second coat, I was thinking this was going to be a sheer type of finish, but I was pleasantly surprised on the third coat. It just packed a punch for opacity. Now those black flakes here, which in my experience, they're going to give you some texture. So I treated it like a reflective glitter type of finish. Use that texture to get each of your coats on and you're good to go. So I'll strongly suggest 3 light coats. This will topper really well over matchy-match colors, say like greens, things like that, and black, of course. You will need a glitter smoother and a glossy top coat to top this off. Now this month's Waterslide decal sheets, we've got 2 of them. We've got one with a touch of words and whatnot and some of the iconic characters, things like that, and the monsters from the games. And then we've also got the black and white sheet too. If you are new to Waterslide decals, you're new to this series of mine, I do a Waterslide decal tutorial, just a quickie one. And the sheets that are black and white, like the second one here, you can put these over light colors and some dark colors. They are pretty opaque, but colored ones, you'll want to possibly use a white backing for them. I have loads and loads of Fandom Flaky tutorials on this channel. There's so many of them you can reference to, but I decided to do something quick and simple for this month's box. I thought it would look really cool over the Night Owl. I so thoroughly enjoyed this color, so I figured, why not? Cut out the images I want to use. I soak them in water, just regular room temperature water, just tap water, doesn't matter. And I let it sit in there for at least 10 seconds. Now it's really forgiving, so I can put all 4 of my decals in the water and just let them float around in there. You'll just be mindful that if they stay in too long, they'll separate from the paper very easily. So use tweezers to pull them out. You don't have to use a clear jelly stamper like what I did. Sometimes it doesn't work. And in the event that it slides, like what you saw in the video here, I would recommend going in with a really thin dab of your quick dry glossy top coat, let it get tacky, and then use it like glue in that regard. Sometimes that happens if you let your polish or the top coat it's on dry too much. This month's handy Cuticle cream is so up my alley, and damn it, it is giving me Halloween vibes, and I'm so here for it. The scent notes to Let Me Guess Someone Stole Your Sweet Roll is sweet creamy vanilla, lemon, coconut, butterscotch, maple syrup, caramel, coffee, and butter rum. I talk about this handy Cuticle cream every month. Y'all know the drill. And the scents, I so love them when they're bakery, and this is bakery lovers and fall lovers, really. I'm flat out getting a pastry, but I'm strongly getting toffee, that buttery rum, butterscotch, and there's a touch of that vanilla. I feel like the lemon and coconut round it out, but you're not really going to get that at the forefront. It's just like a sweet roll. That's exactly what it is. And again, it's giving me Halloween vibes, and I'm so here for it. When I smell it, it just makes me think I'm going shopping for fall decorations, but I don't mind that. If I had Halloween every single day, I would totally be happy with that. So this month's Hand and Cuticle Cream, if you are a bakery and or fall scent lover, it is totally up your alley. The box is currently up for pre-order. You can grab it for $22 plus shipping, which includes the Bee's Knees lacquer and the Night Owl lacquer. And of course, you can always add on the Ribbits and Stickits polish or any of the Ribbits and Stickits products. There's a ton to choose from that also have that sweet roll scent for this month. And of course, since the pre-order is open, if you head over to the website right now, you can do a subscription option if you want to just put it on that and then just forget about it and every month have the box show up at your house. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.